soft white buns in the Omnia stovetop oven. Today, we are baking soft white buns, perfect for breakfast, or for hot dogs while camping. For 4 buns, you need 30 grams of unsalted butter, 90 milliliters of lukewarm milk, and 150 grams of white bread. Gradually add the milk to the bread mix. Mix until it forms a dough. Knead until you have a smooth ball. If the dough feels too sticky, add a little extra bread mix. Kneading takes time, about 20 minutes. Then add the butter. At first, the dough may feel greasy. Keep kneading. It will come together. When you can stretch a thin membrane from the dough without tearing, it is ready. Divide the dough into equal pieces. Shape them into smooth balls. Now prepare the Omnia. I use the rack with the silicone mold on top. I trimmed the top edge of the mold so it cannot touch the flame. Dust lightly with flour. Place the dough balls inside. Cover with the lid. Let them rise in a warm place for 30 minutes. After the first rise, remove them from the mold. Shape them again. Place them back. Cover. Let them rise for another hour. Now remove the silicone mold. Preheat the Omnia to about 200 to 220 degrees Celsius. In a regular oven, you would add a bowl of water for steam. Do the same in the Omnia. Place a small bowl of water inside to create steam. Work quickly so the heat does not escape. Bake on medium-high heat for about 10 minutes. Check the color. If needed, tilt the lid slightly to let a little air enter. Watch carefully. They brown quickly. Protect your work surface. The bottom of the Omnia is extremely hot. For me, this color is perfect. Place the buns in a plastic bag or cover with a towel. This keeps them soft. Let them cool. While the pan is still warm, you can heat your hot dogs. It is camping after all. Slice the bun. Add the hot dog. Ketchup, mustard if you like. And there it is, soft white buns from the Omnia stovetop oven. Perfect for camper cooking. See you in the next episode. Ma.